Oh, and I always forget to tell y'all, like, comment, and subscribe. Now, do that. Click that subscribe button. Click that like button. Also, tell me what you feeling in this video. You feeling these fits, boo? Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lissa. So yeah, I am here to do, I guess, an unbagging. I already boxed it and kind of looked at it, but I didn't really open up aside from the little bags. So I'm gonna jump mostly straightly into it. So I came across this brand on Instagram called Nor Black Nor White. They're an Indian, I guess, dye house. I think they're based in Toronto, but produce their clothing in India. So they have really, really, really gorgeous clothes, and I'm like, yo, I need this, I want this, whatever. So I ordered it, and I looked at, like, I ordered it, it came, I never opened it. Like, I opened the box, I opened the bag that, like, both pieces are generally in, which is super cute, and I'm gonna show you, but I never, like, I pulled the pieces out and looked at them, but I never took those out of their package. So this is very much an unbagging and like try on haul. So let's see. So again, this is the bag that it came in. Like, can we talk about how cute this tote is? Like, I'm gonna use the shit out this tote. Like, thank you for sending my stuff in this bag. So let's see. I got two pieces. So like, this is all I did was look at them like this. Like, and these came months ago, way before the move. Like, way, I want to say they got, like, to me at the end of February. But you know, I was trying to wait until I had a better environment, better setup. But here's what it is. Oof. Oh, the fabric is so nice and thick. Ooh. So this is like this baby doll dress that they sent me. Again, not sponsored or nothing, like paid for this, but I was really into the brand. The material is like this really thick cotton. It's not particularly soft. It's a little bit rough. Hold on. Yeah, it's not particularly soft. I wouldn't say it's rough, but like, it's not like cotton t-shirt soft. I'm gonna try this on in a second so you can see how it looks, but my God, I love it already. So just circles, baby doll dress, perfect for summer. I feel like it's going to do a decent job of hiding my fupa, or it might just make me look pregnant. Either way, it is what it is. Other piece is a little bit more refined, equally cute, you know. Let's see. Ooh, so it's satin, and all of these are hand dyed in India. You can't really see this as well, but it's like an ombre effect, like shirt dress. Also, these clothes are all one size fits all, and normally when I see that, I just think like Brandy Melville is not going to fit me, but this is big as hell, and hopefully it fits me. I can see, I imagine that it would. So yeah, I'm going to try these on and tell you what I think, and also insert clips of me wearing them. All right, now I am very much a jeans and a tee person. That's going to be my go-to, if not that, like tights and a tee. I'm very lazy and like an athleisure, but at the same time, my Aquarius often comes through, and I really fucking love unique pieces. I love colorful pieces. I love pieces with different textures and materials, especially thick textures, and I love patterns. I like being different. I thrive on being different. I need to be different. So if I'm not being comfy and easy, I'm being different. These pieces from Nor Black Nor White, I feel different in these pieces and I love them. I will say I do like the baby doll dress with the dyed circle dots way more than I like this one that I kept on. I'm going to say that for a few reasons. A, I can just throw it on and it looks good. So like if it's unique and it's easy as jeans and a tee, like give me that. Like I love dresses, I love jumpers, and if y'all can freak it and make it like super fly unique, I want it. I'm gonna want it because like I can be comfy and it's gonna be easy to put on and I'm gonna look different. You checking on my boxes, boo. So that's really easy. Throw on, like the cut is fun. So like even if it was just like a black dress, the cut is really fun, especially on someone in my shape, like a lot of skin. It does cut kind of high, I feel like. Which is fine and flirty. But you have to be really mindful if it's windy, if you want to be doing that. That's why you see me doing let's work test. With this one that I'm wearing, it's going to have to be styled more, and that's my problem. I don't really style stuff as much as I could and as much as I should, and enough to look as good as I could. So I'm either going to need a belt to like cinch it at the waist. And I don't have like a good belt right now that I want to use. I do want to get a designer belt. We're going to see. But as you saw earlier, I threw on some jeans and tucked one side. I'm like, this is super fucking cute with that. So like it's slightly less easier than the one piece baby doll dress, but it's still working the way I need it to work. Also, these sleeves are weird. So like, okay, I'm kind of sitting on it, but like the way the sleeves are so tight, like when I put my arm up like this part is too small to go further down, so there's no slip. So I have like more tenty things going on here than like it reaching down and sliding down to where I need it to do. So that's like a detractor. So it limits my range of movement. Like you can't see now you're not gonna be able to see, but my arm can't go straight up. I kind of have to tilt it because otherwise, you see how like tight it got right there. That's one thing I don't like about it. The gradient isn't as gradient as I would have liked it to be. It's a lot more blue than the purple that it seemed, which is fine. I'm going to always go for purple, but like this is still really cute. I'm not really pressed about the gradient either. But yeah, it's mostly just like the shapelessness, which can be fine cinched with a belt or like half tucked into the jeans like I did. And I thought like, bitch, you look cute and chic as shit. Like I can't handle it. Like, so this look works for me with the jeans, that is. But like I'm gonna have to be really mindful. One other thing about this blouse, it's really hot. And it's funny, I always remember my mom telling me like silk isn't like the best fabric because it's cold in the winter and hot in the summer. So I don't know when the fuck to wear this. I sweat a lot, but thinking about the temperature now, it's like 60s, 70s. I would wear this now, but thinking about the temperature, say in the summer, I wouldn't wear this in the summer. A baby doll dress, I definitely fucking wear it, period. Like, so breezy, but again, I gotta make sure I'm not like swinging up. I have to put some Spanx on or some shit. But either way, I love both of these pieces. Again, I got them from Nor Black Nor White. They are an Indian brand. I think they're based out of Toronto, but they dye directly in India. POC owned. Like, my first thought is to say they're body positive. Their sizes go up pretty high. Pretty fucking high. Even like the sizes that aren't one size fits all. So I do enjoy that about them. There are more pieces I think I want to get from them, but you know, we're going to see, because I think both of these pieces cost like over $100. I want to say like one piece costs like $130 and one piece costs like $160. I think this one costs more because of the kind of fabric that it is, and it was like a particular cut versus just like a less fancy baby doll dress. But either way, I would still definitely buy from them. So if you're curious, check them out. Either way, I hope you like this video. Peace.